UNBOX Nation, are you looking for a nice power brick to charge up all your hungry electronic devices? Then I think you want to stay tuned and check out this video on this 140 watt charging brick from a company called Sharge. Alright. Yo, Skippy, roll that intro. Okay, YouTube, this your boy Mark for LOOSESCREWZZANDVIEWS, back again another video. But you know how we do. Before we get started, let's get all that business and politicking out of the way. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Go ahead and subscribe. Alright, now that we got all that business and politicking out of the way, let's get to the video. UNBOX Nation, this is your main man Mark, back again another video. And today we're going to take a look at this 140 watt power brick from a company called Sharge. Alright, but before we get started, I want to give all thanks and praise to my Heavenly Father, God above, and Savior Jesus Christ, because without God, nothing's possible. But anything is possible as long as you keep God in it. Alright. And by the way, can you do me a favor? Can you go down there and hit the subscribe button? It's free, don't cost anything, and you'll be helping somebody out. Alright. Appreciate it. UNBOX Nation, it's your main man Mark, back again. Excuse me, we're doing another video. And today we're going to be taking a look at this 140 watt charging brick from a company called Sharge. Alright. So let me give you some specs for the spec junkies out there, because you know they be on you, and I'm not an expert, like I said in all my videos, just regular everyday person. But here's some specs for the spec junkies out here. This is the Sharge Pixel 140 watt laptop charger. All right, USB-C GAN charger, 3-port with smart dot matrix display. And that's one of the things that got me. It's got a display on it. PD 3.1 fast charging for MacBook Pro, iPhone 17, 16, and 15. All right. So let me see if I can scroll down and get some more specs, some more stuff down here. It says 140 watt max fast charging, blazing fast performance, harnesses the might of the PD 3.1 technology, and charges your MacBook Pro 16-inch from 0 to 50% in a mere 25 minutes. All right. And also says the charges 3 devices simultaneously. Each of the 3 USB-C ports delivers up to 140 watts of power output when connected singly. All right, so that's by themselves. We don't do it with 140 watts each one if you got all 3 plugged up. All right, it's the ultimate all-in-one solution for charging laptops, smartphones. All right, we got that smart interactive display. That's one of the main things come out. Interactive display, equipped with a unique adjustable dot matrix screen. It displays real-time wattage for each port. All right, displays real-time wattage for each port. All right, brightness or rotation suit your needs, whether you're using it on a desktop or taking it on the go. All right, let's see here. 5th gen GAN technology, adopted the advanced GAN 3 technology and PFC plus LLC architecture, which I don't have no idea what that means. It not only reduces the size, but it also delivers more efficient charging and ensure portability without sacrificing efficiency. All right, ultra compact design. All right, so that's a mouthful. I had to get all that out for the spec junkies real, because they be looking for them specs. All right, even though you ain't an expert, they want the specs. But anyway, here, take a look at it. This is the box right here. It says the 140 watt. All right, and it's telling you the information right there. Turn around in the back. There's some information right here. You can pause just to read it for yourself. All right, some more information. So let's go ahead and get this bad boy out of the box. Looking like I'm gonna have to find something to cut it open. All right, I've been spoiled by not having to cut stuff open from other stuff. So let me go ahead and get Milwaukee on deck, cut it open. All right, put that to the side. Let's see here, get it out. All right, I didn't have to go into beast mode. All right, let's take this bad boy out. Okay, there you go. It didn't want to come out at first. All right, here it is right here. All right, pretty tiny. All right. We'll put that box to the side right now. You got your little books and got your little instruction booklet. Let's open this bad boy up and see what it's talking about. All right. You can pause this read. Well, that's the wrong side. Here's the right side, so you can pause this, read it for yourself, just in case you got one of these and lost your instruction booklet. All right. Put that to the side, and let's get to the start of the show. Nothing else in the box. All right. We got it wrapped real good. Just go ahead and take this paper off. We don't need that paper. All right, and here we go. The Sharge Pixel 140 watt charging brick. Too cool, too cool. And let's see here. You got what is this right here? Looks like a power button, and I think that might be a mode button. So that's, you know, why I'm probably gonna have to look at the instructions. All right. And then we got the folding plug. I think all charging bricks ought to have the folding plugs on there. I mean, come on now, it's 2025. All right. All right. Perfect for traveling. All right. You got your little charge. You got your little name down here and everything. Let's turn this on and see if you got any juice. Well, I don't know what I meant by that. I'm thinking I got a power bank. I've been doing power banks so much. I'm thinking like, oh, gotta have some juice. Let me get a power source so I can plug this in so I can show you how this bad boy works. All right. All right. Hold tight. All right. I'm back. I got me a power source to use right here. A little extension cord. I mean, it's better than nothing. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug this bad boy in. See what happens. All right, and I was so busy trying to find the power source. Here are the charging ports right here. Let's see here. You got a max 140 watt on C3, C2, USB C2, and USB C1. All right, moving too fast. All right, and this is the front. This is what got me right here. This is the display right here. That's what really got me. I was like, okay, you know, we got a power brick that has like a little, you know, digital little screen on it. That's just too cool, too cool. So what I want to do is let me see if I got yeah, I got a power cord right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this to plug in. And see, this is the one I act right. I give me a different kind of power source setup. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug this into C1. I'm gonna plug it into C1. All right. And I'm gonna plug the other end into the Note 20 Ultra to see how this thing is, how much it charges. And it's showing super fast charge, and it's putting out 13, 17, 19 watts, 18 watt. So let me see if I can find my meter so I can kind of double check that just to make sure. So let me pull this out. I got a little meter right here. All right, little watt meter, plug it on there. These little things come in handy. These really come in handy. All right, so let's go ahead and plug it in. All right, as you can see right there, fast charge. All right, it's saying pretty much mimicking the same thing. It's just like a little bit off, but yeah, I think it's pretty much accurate. As you can see right here, it's going back and forth. Maybe this might just be the meter or whatever, but this is showing a steady 18 watt, and then it bounces. This one bounces back. So this, you know, I think I would trust this one more so than that one. But anyway, it's kind of close. All right. So let me go ahead and see. Let's find something else to plug in here. Let's see here. Got another charging cord right here. Another 100 watt charging cord. Let's see what we can plug in. Let me see if this is full. Yeah, this is already full. Let's see here. Let me charge up the. Oh, I got something I can charge right here. The GoPro battery. All right. Go ahead and plug up the GoPro battery charging case. So go ahead and plug it in. All right. Set that down right here. All right. Let's see here and get the other end and plug it into the block. All right. Bam. All right, now plug it. As you can see right here, it's charging. It's saying it's 2 watts going into port C2. All right, now with a combination, a total of, or it's 2 watts going in with a combination total of 20. All right. So let's see if we can find something else to plug in here. Let's see, I got another USB-C cable. All right, I'm gonna move this up to the top because of this multi cable is getting kind of in the way. So let me see here. I'm gonna plug this in here, like so. All right, let's see what we got. We got oh, I got something right here. I got my little blower right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug it up. Now you'll see right here, C1 is getting 14 watt, C2 is getting 9 watt, and C3 is getting 2 watts. So this is still getting 2 watt. This is getting, let's see, go back and forth, C1, and this is in C2, covering it up, C2, with a total of 29 watts coming out. Let's see here, double back. C2 is only getting 9 watts, all right? So let me see what these buttons are for right here. Let me see what this button is for. Okay, that's to change the orientation of the screen. Okay, too cool, too cool. All right, so if I wanted to change the orientation of the screen, that's too cool. And if I want to, okay, so it's making the screen, okay, that's to turn the screen off, turn it on, dim it a little bit, and then off. Okay, so you can dim it or turn it off. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. So yeah, this is a pretty decent charging brick. Like I said, Sharge is putting out some good stuff. I mean, like I said, I just did a video on this right here. Man, these things, they putting out some good stuff right here. I mean, you're able to charge 3 different devices, but they got another one though that's slightly bigger than this one, but it's only 100 watt, and it has a USB-A slot on there instead of having just 3 charging slots. It has 4. It has a USB-C charging slot on there too. So I chose the 140 watt because, you know, I want the one with the max juice, and pretty much most of the stuff I have is already USB-C anyway, and that's going to charge faster. So you know, I thought about I don't know, maybe in the future I might go ahead and try to pick it up, but for now I think I'm just going to rock with this one. I like this one. It comes in like 2 different colors. I think they got like a white one, and this one is like the gray one. But yeah, they got some pretty cool products, and I think I got some more Sharge products right here, like a Sharge power bank. Man, they put out some good stuff. And I gotta ask you a question. Did you hit that subscribe button? Hi, just messing around. But yeah, you know, they put out some Sharge put out some pretty good stuff, as you can see right here. I like having a power bank that shows you, you know, how much juice that you're using. I mean, that's, to me, in my opinion, that's a good, you know, good feature to have. So it takes some of the guesswork out of everything, right? And it also it lets you know when stuff is done charging. So let me turn the screen back on, right? C1, going back again. Yeah, I might try to plug this up into matter of fact, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and try to plug this up and see how much juice is putting out into a iPad. So let me reach this over to my iPad, which I'm using as a monitor right now, and plug this in, see how many watts this getting, because it should be, you know, need some charge. All right, C3 is now, you see we're saying a total of 52 watts. C1 is getting 14, and that's the Note 20 Ultra. That's the Note 20 Ultra right here. And then C3 is getting 29 watts. That's the iPad, the 12.9 inch iPad Pro. So it's pulling, let's see here, it's pulling 29 watts. All right, so that's a pretty good deal. That's a pretty good deal. So you got 140 watts to play with. So, you know, if I happen to plug this up to my MacBook Pro, then that like I say, this would be perfect. You know, I could use it with my MacBook Pro, use it for my iPad. I could charge up a lot of stuff. This, like I said, this would be a perfect travel charger for you know, to take with you on the go. I mean, because, you know, and it's also going to draw a lot of attention, because a lot of people are going to be like, man, what is that? What is that? Look at that screen. And then, you know, it's a conversation starter. But, you know, but its main purpose is to charge up the devices. And I think this is a pretty cool design right here. It's like a little futuristic design. So I'm gonna leave a link in the description box below where you get more detailed information, and so you can check it out for yourself, because I'm pretty sure I'm moving so fast, and it's something I probably didn't mention for the spec junkies out there. You know, so you can click on that link in the description box to see more detailed information or pick one up for yourself. All right, because I'm not an expert. I'm just a regular everyday person who likes to showcase new gadgets and products I get right here on the channel. All right, not an expert, so chill out in the comment section. All right, but yeah, this has been my little showcase of this Sharge Pixel 140 watt charging brick. Too cool, man. I'm loving it. It's pretty cool. But appreciate everybody taking out time to check out this video. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, notification bells, you notify new videos. Tell a friend, tell that friend, tell a friend, tell that friend, tell a friend, tell that friend, tell a friend to subscribe. It's, you know, so they can see cool products like this on the channel, all right? And like I always say in my videos, treat people how you want to be treated. Treat people better than you want to be treated, all right? All right. The message for today. Okay, I get it. Don't be a manipulator. You're probably, Mark, what are you talking about? Man, you got people out there that are master manipulators. They basically use your own feelings against you to get what they want. And the crazy thing about it, they try to make you feel bad, and you ain't did nothing wrong, and they're the ones in the wrong. Basically greedy. All they care about is themselves, and that's it. All they care about is getting what they want at any price, whether it's gonna hurt you or it's gonna cause you problems. They don't care. They make you feel bad. Say like an example. Say you got $5 right now, and you got to use that $5 to go, get you something to eat. Your last $5, and they be like, "Hey man, can I get $5 from you?" And you be like, "No, that's my last $5. I gotta go and do this." They be like, "Oh man, dang man, I guess this gonna happen to me, or I guess I'm gonna be this, or I guess oh woe is me. Oh, don't nobody care about me," trying to make you feel bad, and then you end up giving them your last $5, and you ain't got nothing to feed yourself, and that was the only money you had for your lunch. But they don't care about that. All they care about, "Oh, thanks, appreciate it, man. But I'm like, but then you sitting there hungry, no money, because somebody just manipulated you to get what they wanted. Ain't nothing worse than a person like that. I can't stand, a person that likes to be a manipulator. I mean, that's somebody that you really don't like to be around, because all they care about is themselves and making themselves feel good. That's why I say that's the message for today. Don't be a manipulator, because nobody likes to being around a manipulator, somebody that's just out to get what they want, regardless of how it's going to hurt you or make you feel. All right, that's the message for today. Don't be a manipulator. This is your main man Mark for Loose Screws and Views. Dr. Mike, baby, and we out. Peace.